Hello and welcome. I'm Dave Thurman, Dean and CEO of Northeastern University in Seattle. It's my pleasure to welcome you to this Seattle campus virtual open house. Northeastern University is a global university, operating a network of campuses across the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. Today, I'd like to tell you more about our campus in Seattle, which is the largest regional campus in the network. Let's start with a brief video tour of our campus. The Seattle campus opened in 2013 with one office suite and a few shared classrooms. Today, we have over 50,000 square feet of classroom, office, and study space in Seattle's South Lake Union neighborhood, and we're still growing. It's a bustling neighborhood full of office workers and apartment buildings, restaurants and pubs, food trucks, and a weekly farmers market in the spring and summer. You'll also find Amazon's global headquarters, Seattle-founded companies like Starbucks, Microsoft, and Boeing, and engineering centers for Google, Facebook, and Apple. This intersection of high-tech, aerospace, and business creates incredible demand for local professionals with technical and project management skills, which has led to Seattle being the fastest-growing job market in the United States over the last decade. As you can see from this video, classrooms and study spaces are spread across our campus, irrespective of programs, enabling our learners to interact with and learn from students in other programs. Interdisciplinary projects bring together students with differing skills in computer science, information systems, data analytics, and project management to learn how to work together on complex problems. Our hybrid NewFlex technology offers students the flexibility to attend class remotely or in person as needed. On-site COVID testing, required masking, healthy distancing, and other policies create a healthy environment on our campus. Finally, the Seattle campus embraces Northeastern's focus on experiential learning, starting with industry professionals who teach many of our courses and bring their real-world experience right into the classroom. We also source projects from local companies that students can work on with faculty supervision to gain real-world experience on campus before they take on an internship or co-op assignment, working for one of the many organizations in Seattle that employ hundreds of Northeastern students every year. Here's a list of the professional graduate programs currently offered on ground on the Seattle campus. We also offer more than 40 programs online. I encourage you to read more about the programs before coming to the live session on April 10th. There, you can chat with our staff and students, ask questions, listen to questions other people may have, and learn more about our campus and community. I hope you enjoyed learning more about Northeastern University in Seattle, and that you will consider becoming part of our global network of lifelong learners. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you on April 10th.